Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Gaurav Pipara, second year law student, currently legal internet Lexis and Company. Today's our topic is discharge of a contract. So discharge means coming out. So we can say that quitting from a contract is known as discharge of a contract. That means when two or more parties enter into a contract with certain rules and regulations. If any of the parties does not obey certain rules and regulations, then contract will be in the condition of a discharge. There are various circumstances where a discharge of a contract may occur. First, discharge of a contract by performance. That means when both the parties refuse to perform certain obligations can be referred to as discharge by performance. Second, discharge of a contract by lapse of time. That means when the contract is unable to perform in a specific period of time, it it may affect the other party and leads to the cancellation of entire contract. Third, discharge of a contract by impossibility of performance. That means any an unexpected issue happen and reduce the possibility of an entire contract. It includes recession in the market, natural disasters, etc. Our fourth is discharge of a contract by breach of contract. That means breach of the contract refers to termination of original contract due to failure of performing certain obligations. Next is discharge of a contract by agreement. That means when any obligations by the parties in an agreement, they can end it by mutual consent. Discharge of a contract discharge of a contract by agreement occurs in various situations. First is novation. This means substitution of an existing contract with a new one. Second is rescission. That means when both the parties agree to modify certain rules and regulations with their mutual understanding. Third is alteration. That means when terms of the contract will modify either partially or entirely with the consent of the parties. Fourth is waiver. That means abandonment of a right. If any party abandons their right from a contract, then other party affect it and then it will lead to discharge of a contract. So these are the situations where discharge of a contract may occur. Thank you.